In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the lessons under course in Kajabi. Start by opening your Kajabi dashboard and heading to Products then Courses. Click into the specific course you want to work on so you're editing the right place. Lessons in Kajabi live inside modules, so before you add any lessons, make sure your course has at least one module or submodule. Think of a module as a section or chapter of your course, and submodules as optional nested sections if you want more structure. If you don't see one yet, click Add Content, then choose Module or Submodule, give it a clear title, and add a brief description if you want. A concise description can help students understand what they'll learn in that section. With your module in place, you're ready to add a lesson. Find the module where the lesson belongs and click Add Content, then select Lesson. Give your lesson a descriptive title that reflects the outcome or topic, and click Create Lesson. Short, action-focused titles often help learners scan and stay oriented. Open the lesson you just created to add content. First, choose your media. You can upload a video or an audio file if that's how you want to deliver the material. If this lesson is meant to be text-only or resource-based, choose none. That's perfectly fine and keeps the focus on written content and downloads. When adding media, keep file sizes manageable for quick loading, and consider adding a brief intro in the lesson text to set expectations for the video or audio. Next, add your written content. Use headings, short paragraphs, and formatting to make it easy to read. You can embed images to illustrate key points, show examples, or display screenshots that support your explanation. Clear, scannable text helps learners follow along and retain information. If you have resources to share, upload them as downloads. This is where you can add PDFs, worksheets, checklists, or slide decks. Give files descriptive names so students know exactly what they're getting, and reference them in your lesson text with a quick note on how and when to use them. When everything looks good, set the lesson status to Published. By default, new lessons are in draft, which means students can't see them yet. Switching to Published makes the lesson visible to your learners inside the course. If you're still editing, keep it in draft until you're ready. That's it. Create or confirm your module, add a lesson with media, text, and downloads, and publish when it's ready for your students.